Hello, my name is Wendy Sanchez. Then I will start the manhood activity. What will the future hold for us? Current population. Currently, there are approximately 7,413 million inhabitants in Bogota. Urban area. Bogota's area is 1,775 square kilometers. Average climate. The climate of Bogota is approximately 14 degrees Celsius. Current situation of education. In Bogota, there are approximately 2,209 schools and 150 universities. Current situation natural. Sources of weather. Bogota has 200 bodies of water between gorges, rivers, and channels. Green areas. Bogota is one of the cities with the less green area per inhabitant and the highest population density. This was determined by a good study according to which age Bogota has 493 square meters of green space, when the minimum international average is 10 meters. Pollution levels. Declaration of alert for poor air quality by authorities in cities like Bogota have become recurrent in recent years. The heat level of particulate matter dispersed in the atmosphere of affect people's health, especially the most sensitive ones, such as children and the elderly. Urbanization effects. Bogota is a highly populated city in the approximately 13,500 people per square kilometers and 345 square kilometers of urban land have been urbanized. Current urbanization and commerce situation. Home sales in Bogota walk 16% annually. The local economy grew 33% in 2019 compared to 2018. New shopping centers have been inaugurated, such as El Eden, Multiplaza, amongst others. Current culture. Bogota has a culture of offer for all, with untasted that allow you to live unique experience around art, culture, recreation, and sport. Perception of security. My perception is that insecurity in Bogota has increased due to the pandemic we are experiencing. Bicycle theft on the rise in Bosa and Kennedy. Perception Perception of migration. My perception of the current migration in Bogota is that enough Venezuelans have arrived and this has affected the economy. This situation has also affected security in the city. Thank you very much.